Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is Pooja Ghosh. Welcome to my channel Sabki Pathshala. This channel is all about career and education video. So what are you waiting for? Let's start. Today I am going to teach you chapter 1, Our Country India, part 1. In this chapter we are going to study about India. So here we go. Our country India. India is a unique country. So, why it is a unique country? It comprised one of the oldest civilization in the world. So, it is the 7th largest country in the world. Whereas in terms of population, India stands in second position. Whereas in terms of larger areas, India stands in 7th position. So it covers an area of 32,87,264 square kilometer, extending from the snow-covered Himalaya height to the tropical rainforest of the south. This area, the distance of this area is 32,87,264 square kilometer. Now, as the 7th largest country in the world, India stands apart from the rest of Asia. So India is marked off by mountains and the seas, which give the country a different geographical entity. So why India is given a different geographical entity? Because the India is marked off by mountains and seas which give the country a distinct or different geographical entity. That is why it has been rightly or presently called a subcontinent. So what is subcontinent? Subcontinent, a large part of a continent which is distinguishable on the basis of many factors. So it is a part of a big continent. So Asia is a big continent and India is a subcontinent. So India is a part of Asia. It is marked off by the mountains and the seas. So it has many factors. India has many factors. That is why it is presently called subcontinent. Next, previously I have told you that India is comprised one of the oldest civilization in the world. So Indus Valley civilization is the very oldest civilization in the world. It had two cities, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Harappa Sabhyata, Mohenjo-daro civilization. So it is located in the Pakistan and northwest of India. India is a vast country. India is the 7th largest country of the world. India has a land border of 15,200 kilometers and a long coastline of 7,516 kilometers. The Great Mountain Wall in the north is a natural boundary between China and India. This part. The Great Mountain Wall in the north is a natural boundary between the China between the China and India. This part. This Himalaya range is the boundary between China and India. Countries larger than India in size are Russia. Russia in the first position, in second position Canada, third position China, fourth position is USA, fifth Brazil, sixth Australia, and seventh is India. These are the 6 countries which are larger in size than India. So look at the adjoining political map of India. Adjoining political map of India. This. India is divided into 28 states. 28 states, 9 union territory, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. The extreme north is the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Kanyakumari lies at the southern tip. Here is the Kanyakumari. Here is the Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari, our country, lies at the southern tip of the mainland of India. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, our country measures 3,214 kilometers. 3,214 kilometers. Arunachal Pradesh, and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, in the west to Arunachal Pradesh, it measures 2,933 km. India is the widest in the middle. India is the widest in the middle and becomes narrow towards the south. The southern part of India is surrounded by 3 big water bodies, that is Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. India is the only country in the world which has an ocean after its name, that is Indian Ocean. Asia is the largest continent in the world and comprises about 30% of the Earth's total area. India is located in the southern part of the Asia. Many countries have common boundaries with India. Like Pakistan, common boundaries. These are the adjoining boundaries. Pakistan. This is China. Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Afghanistan, so Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bangladesh, Bhutan. And this is Myanmar. Sri Lanka is separated from India. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow strait called the Palk Strait. Palk Strait. So it is a water boundary. All these countries are our neighbors. So these are our neighboring country. Look at them on the map of Asia. So to its north, India comprises land boundaries. To its north, India comprises land boundaries, and to its south, India comprises ocean boundaries. So these are the notes. You have to remember it. So India has 28 states, 7 neighboring countries, 9 union territories, including National Capital Territory of Delhi. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, distance is 3,214 km. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, it measures 2,933 km. That's all for today's video. Do like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon.